My company's name is Ramm Products Private Limited. We are manufacturing collets and allied products. This is our 50th year. We bought your first conventional grinding machine long back, but I don't remember the exact year. Then again I bought one more conventional machine. Then afterwards, CNCs have come. We bought few CNC machines also. And your Coimbatore staff is very cooperative. Whenever there is a problem, whenever I ask them, they will immediately come and attend. Immediately. That is our main advantage in your company is that we get the service done immediately so that our work doesn't stop.